Hi, hello friends. Hope you're all doing good. Thanks for tuning into our channel. You're watching Sanchari Seeker, and I am Sanchari. Let's get into the video. From the thumbnail you have seen, it's a bit different from what I regularly meet you guys. It's not a bike trip. This time it's going to be a drive. Me and my couple of friends, we are actually driving to Calicut from Bangalore to attend one of our friends' wedding. So currently we have covered almost about 40 kilometers from Bangalore, and now we are on the Bangalore-Mysore Expressway. I have my friend Naveen on the driving, and I have Amit who's busy on the phone. So Naveen, you should be familiar because he's the one who came along with me for our Velangani ride. So stay tuned, it's going to be fun. Today's route will be from Bangalore to Mysore via the Bangalore-Mysore Expressway, and from Mysore we'll take the Nanjangud-Gunrupet road. From there we will be taking the Bandipur National Park road. We shall reach Wayanad, and from Wayanad we will be reaching Kozhikode. So the time now is 1 o'clock, and we've just reached Mysore, and we just stopped for a quick refreshment break. So another maybe roughly about 4.5 to 5 hours of journey left. Mysore to Nanjangud is only 26 kilometers, and Gunrupet is 60 kilometers from Mysore. Since we left Bangalore in the late morning, the afternoon traffic is pretty less, so I am able to cover a distance pretty quickly. We just had our lunch here at Hotel Green Valley Residency. Food was kind of okay, nothing great about that. I just had chicken biryani and ghee rice. So time is now around 3:15. So probably will take another 4 hours to reach our destination. After crossing Gundupet, we have entered the Bandipur forest. To my surprise, the greenery was very less and could only see dry leaves on ground. Looks like the summer is fast approaching, and the temperature is around 31 degrees. बागलो आगे अगर उसका I was 10 kilometers away from Sultan Bathery, which is the first town we get upon reaching Wayanad. This is the new bypass road from Sultan Bathery to Kalpeta, avoiding the journey through the busy streets of Sultan Bathery.
अभी तक तो मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा था।
देखो उधर। Signal போயிடுச்சா? Signal is gone. Okay friends, finally we have reached Calicut and this is the place we're going to stay. So let's go get it, check in, and then I will show you a room tour. One 1408 that way, right? This is our room for the next couple of days, a cozy room with a working table and a dressing area. We had ordered for an extra bed since we are three. With this, we come to the end of day one of our Kozhikode series, and I will meet you in the next episode of day two. Until then, I'm Sanchari signing off. Take care. Peace.